Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share Reels on Instagram story. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Now from the homepage of the Instagram, choose the reel that you want to keep as your story. Once you pick the reels, tap on it and from there tap on share icon. You can see the option add reels to your story on the top of the menu. Change your background color or do whatever you want before you add this as your story. And now after you're done with editing your story, you can simply tap on your story on the bottom left corner. And here you can see my story has already been posted. And just like that, you can share reels on Instagram story. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.